Look at the Cybertruck. Look at it. There it goes. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Florida, the Sunshine State. It is gorgeous out here this morning. We are checking everything out. We are back again for another family vacation here. We just love this place so much. We keep coming back. But anyways, guys, we are going to try to make this a little different than last time. Maybe some similar things, maybe some different things, but just want to make sure we keep you guys interested here and into it. But we are going to try to check out some cars and stuff while we're down here. First thing we got here is our new Jeep. Check this booger out. Look at the color on this sucker. Black rims. It's almost like this blue color. This is one of them hybrid electric, boy. I don't know how I feel about it, but anyways, if we get inside here, you guys can check it out. Brand new, still got stickers on the interior. Look at that. This booger is brand new. Look at that big screen. Oh my gosh, look at that Jeep Nation, boy. You hit that and it's on. Like, you can't even hear that sucker. I don't like that at all, but it's good for some people. I guess it has its purpose here in life, but super clean. Only got 3,000 miles on it, but it already on the way here was giving us a service hybrid electric system after 3,000 miles. So I don't know what I think about all that, but we are in Sarasota, Siesta Key, boy. So it is beautiful. They just take such good care of this place. Everywhere is gorgeous. I won't waste too much time this morning, guys. I'm just getting up, getting going, excited to bring you guys a whiff again. But here we go, Florida. Let's go. Look at the lighting. And Mom out in the kitchen. The light up table. Whoa, catch them on the light. Getting lit out here in the kitchen. Oh, hey, look out there. What is that doing right there? Little Nally in the wild? And it looks like a 24 on some TISs maybe. Look at that booger out there. Must be our valet. Is that our valet right by the pool? See, some people just understand this place. Look at the LBZ out there. Look at it. Oh yeah, little LBZ action, boy. Caught you right out the window of the motel. What you doing, boy? It's tilted. Run it up. Look at this place out here. Stepping out into that Florida sun out here. Captain Jack himself parked the old Black Pearl out there one morning. And here's the outside of the place. Look at it. And the palm trees. Yay, we made it. It's tooted. Look at it. Send it, boy. Going on, fellas. Do it for the YouTube. Let's go, boys.
Truck 30 snacks.
Let's go. A little dragon action. Look at that thing. That is epic now. Way cool. 1 million people out today. It is just beautiful. Pure sun. Water feels great. And just a whole crowd as far as the eye can see. All right, just hopping out the Jeep here for dinner at the Yacht Harbor. And of course, G-Waggy Nation. Look at it. Twin turbo V8. AMG, boy, she is clean. Awesome. Hold on, look at the forces on the 6.7 out there. On forces, boy. Look at her, and it's a dual ski. Yes. Check out the V series Escalade out here. That V That thing's a ripper too, boy. I guarantee you that thing skates. Oh, I want that V-Series. That would be awesome. Look at the LML ripping back there. Underglow lights and everything. With that F-150, send it. All right, down at the old farmer's market. Beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Sarasota. Siesta Key rum with a little Celsius. Boy, you gotta get that Celsius first. What do we got over there? Power Stroke Nation. Oh yeah. Dumping out there. Grabs. That booger's clean blacked out. Look at that sucker go. Off on the trolley after dinner here. Look at this go. Skirt. A little sunset on the beach tonight with a drum line.
Drum circle.
Drum circle. Get in a circle and drum the drumming crap out of it. Right on it. Look at the Cybertruck. Look at it. There it goes. Look at it. Oh my god. Ridiculous. Floor it. So dumb. Little photo opt and a G-Waggy coming. Let's get the G-Waggy on there too. There you go, boy. Send it. G-Wagon. Putting together a puzzle over here. Look at this puzzle. Not even official Legos.
It's not Lego, that's for sure.
No, it's mini building blocks. 261 of the smallest pieces.
It's taken us an hour to get this.
You'll never, ever. All right, Cousin Eddie, just bring the whole gosh dang RV out there, boy, and drop it. That shitter's full out there, boy. You're gonna have to dump it somewhere. Just don't dump it in that water. That's protected habitat. Look at the V. Look at the V. Go, V. Look at the LML going. Look at the lift on that boy too. At night. Send that booger. That sucker is so clean. Send that sucker. Listen to the Turbski on that boy. There he goes. Look at it. Way cool. Oop,
somebody's got some money. That thing ain't cheap.
Looks cool with the city in the background. Oh yeah, look at the Ferrari. There it goes. Clean. Look at the California. Oh, I think he's got his camera on there.
What, Asher?
It almost looks like he's got the Insta360 camera on it. Let's send it, buddy. There you go. It looks like the Insta360's on it. Nope, he gone the other way. And another beautiful morning here down at Siesta Key, guys. We had another nice night last night. Out and about just doing random stuff around town. We've rode the trolley, we've done the beach, we've done the pool, done our souvenir shopping, seen some cars, done a lot of cool stuff along the way here. We are just kind of taking it easy, chill kind of morning, hitting the gym, then gonna go down to the beach again. I know I'm terrible at updating you guys along the way, but yeah, just kind of taking you guys along for the ride, so hope you guys are enjoying this. Let's get back to the randomness, and then we'll get back to cars and trucks when we get home here in a few days, but for now, let's enjoy the rest of the vacation, and yes, here we go. There we go. Ripping it too. Hey, got the roof off the Jeep on the last day. What do you think?
I'm not leaving.
Not leaving, did you hear that? We are not leaving. Look at that. The sun and the sky. Look at that. Palm trees everywhere. This is crazy. This is exactly what we needed. It is hard to leave this booger because this place is perfect. Easily one of the nicest areas we've stayed in the last 10 years. This is absolutely insane. Just need to find a place now that's affordable. Everything down here is like way expensive, but
a shack is 1.5 milli.
1.5 for a shack. All right, we're gonna have to come up with some coins here. We'll get there, but look at this view, guys. We're gonna get the music back on here. I think you gotta go over one more. And we're gonna get back to jamming. What a man, what a man. The Mozzie's just gonna send it. He thinks he's better than us, boy. You think you're better than us, Maserati? And just pulling up to the same restaurant we were at before.
From the first night.
From the first night, because it was so good. What's it, Spearfish or something?
Yeah.
Spearfish, and it's right next to the boat ramp. It's like a vending machine of boats. Just pick one, and they'll drop it down for you. You might gotta pay for it though, but look at all them boats. Pick your boat up,
Here.
get something to eat,
If you're in this area, get the house salad and get their lemon dressing. You won't regret it.
And the lemon dressing.
It's so good.
Word of the wise. There it is. There's the sign. Spearfish.
Yeah, we're kind of near Tennessee.
Alright guys, well officially at this point of the video I have no idea what the footage looks like or how this is going to turn out, but if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much. It's been a lot of fun, super relaxing down here in Siesta Key. We're definitely coming back here, maybe for good sometime. Keep up the support guys, we got to get home, get back to the truck stuff. If you're new to the channel, please stick around for all that. Go back and watch some of those overtime diesel projects we got going on. Ovi's ready to get back to work. He's been hustling nonstop, so we're gonna get back to normal stuff, but this trip's been incredible, guys. It's so nice to refresh and get out here, but the sun is setting tonight, so I'm gonna leave y'all here. We will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks again.